The secret to a good sauce is to start with a good sofrito. So the first step is to finely chop the celery, then the carrots, and the onion. Now it's time to prepare the sausage. Start by removing the casing, then break up the sausage. Next, add the crumbled sausage to the hot oil. Leave the sausage to sizzle nicely for a bit, and then you can add in the chopped vegetables. Leave it all to cook through for 5 minutes, and then stir in the ground beef. Now leave the mixture to brown over a high heat, and keep stirring it occasionally. Now add the wine and simmer until it reduces. Then add the tomato puree and rinse out the jug with a little water. Add a pinch of salt. Stir it one last time, cover with the lid, and leave the mixture to cook over a low heat for an hour. And now the ragu is ready. Set aside 250 grams for later. Add the cheese to the rest of the ragu with the heat turned off. Leave it to cool down for a bit and then put the mixture in the fridge. And now guys, it's time to make the fresh pasta. Start by putting the flour and egg into a bowl. Start mixing it together with a fork. When the dough starts coming together, transfer it to the counter and begin kneading it by hand. Once the ball of dough is ready, wrap it in film and leave it to rest for an hour at room temperature. After the dough has rested, you can roll it out. First, cut it in half. Cover the half you aren't using with film, then roll the dough in the pasta machine, starting with the largest thickness and ending with the smallest. Cut the edges straight. At this point, cut the sheet into 8 rectangles. Now, blanch the pasta sheets in boiling water for about a minute or so. Then transfer them to cold water to prevent them from cooking more. And finally, lay them on a tray. Stuff them with the ragu, leaving a couple of centimeters at the edges. Then roll up the sheets and shape them to form the cannelloni. Now you're ready to put it all together. Spread a generous layer of béchamel on the bottom of the tray. And arrange the cannelloni on top. Now pour the béchamel over them. Add the ragu you had set aside. And finally top with grated parmigiano. Now put the pan in the oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes, and after that switch it to grill mode at 240 degrees for about 5 minutes, so you end up with a lovely golden crust. And now, my tray of delicious piping hot cannelloni is finally ready. Now it's time to have a taste. Oh my god guys, it's amazing.